Welcome. Today, we're diving into a practical, step-by-step guide on how to declutter your home. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed by mess or just want to refresh your space, this video will walk you through each stage, making the process manageable and even enjoyable. Decluttering isn't just about getting rid of things, it's about creating a home that feels calm, organized, and truly yours. Let's start this journey together and transform your living space into a place you love to be in. Ready? Let's get started with the first step, setting your intention. Before you begin decluttering, it's important to set a clear intention. Ask yourself why you want to declutter. Is it to create more space, reduce stress, or prepare for a move? Knowing your motivation will help you stay focused and make decisions easier as you go. Take a moment to visualize your ideal home environment. This mental picture will guide you through the process and keep you motivated, especially when you hit challenging spots. Remember, decluttering is a journey, not a race. Next, gather all the supplies you'll need before you start. This includes boxes or bags for items you want to donate, trash bags for things to throw away, and containers for items you plan to keep. Having everything ready will streamline the process and prevent unnecessary interruptions. You might also want to have cleaning supplies on hand, since decluttering often reveals areas that need a quick wipe down. With your supplies in place, you're ready to tackle your first area. It's tempting to tackle your entire home at once, but starting small is key to avoiding overwhelm. Choose a single drawer, shelf, or corner to begin with. Focusing on a small area allows you to see progress quickly, which boosts your motivation to keep going. Remember, every little bit counts. As you complete one small space, you'll build momentum and confidence to move on to larger areas. Let's pick that first spot and get started. Now, take everything out of your chosen area and sort items into categories. Keep, donate, toss, or relocate. Be honest with yourself about what you use and love. If you haven't used something in the past year, consider letting it go. Sorting helps you see exactly what you have and makes decision-making easier. Place items into their respective boxes or bags as you go. This step is all about making clear, intentional choices. Instead of moving room by room, try decluttering by category. For example, gather all your clothes from every room and sort them at once. This method, popularized by organizing experts, helps you see the full scope of what you own and prevents duplicate items from slipping through the cracks. Categories can include clothes, books, papers, kitchenware, and sentimental items. Tackle one category at a time for best results. As you sort, ask yourself some key questions. Do I use this regularly? Does it bring me joy? Would I buy it again today? These questions help you evaluate each item's true value in your life. If the answer is no, it's probably time to let it go. Remember, the goal is to keep only what adds value or happiness to your home. Trust your instincts and don't second-guess your decisions. To keep things organized, create a simple sorting system. Use clearly labeled boxes or bags for each category. Keep, donate, toss, and relocate. Place them in a convenient spot so you can easily add items as you go. This system keeps your workspace tidy and helps you stay on track. It also makes it easier to move items to their next destination once you're done with each area. Sentimental items can be the hardest to declutter. Take your time with these and don't feel pressured to let go of things that truly matter to you. If you're unsure, set these items aside and revisit them later. Sometimes, taking a photo of a cherished item can help you keep the memory without holding on to the physical object. Remember, it's okay to keep things that are meaningful as long as they don't add unnecessary clutter. Closets are often hotspots for clutter. Take everything out and sort clothes into keep, donate, or toss piles. Be honest about what you actually wear. If something doesn't fit, is damaged, or hasn't been worn in over a year, consider letting it go. Organize what you keep by type or color to make getting dressed easier and more enjoyable. A tidy closet can make a big difference in your daily routine. The kitchen can quickly accumulate unused gadgets, expired food, and duplicate utensils. Start by emptying cabinets and drawers, then sort items into keep, donate, or toss. Check expiration dates and get rid of anything past its prime. Only keep what you use regularly and love. Organize your kitchen so that everyday items are easy to reach, making cooking and cleaning more efficient. Books and papers can pile up quickly. Go through your shelves and drawers and decide which books you truly want to keep, donate, or sell those you no longer need. For papers, shred or recycle anything that's outdated or unnecessary. Store important documents in labeled folders or a filing system. Keeping books and papers organized reduces visual clutter and makes it easier to find what you need. Bathrooms often hide expired products and unused items. Empty cabinets and drawers, then sort through toiletries, makeup, and cleaning supplies. Toss anything that's expired or no longer needed. Organize what's left by grouping similar items together. Use baskets or containers to keep things tidy and easy to find. A clutter-free bathroom makes your morning and evening routines smoother. Living rooms and common areas can become cluttered with magazines, remote controls, and miscellaneous items. Start by clearing surfaces like coffee tables and shelves. Decide what belongs in the room and what doesn't. Store items you use often in accessible spots and find new homes for things that don't belong. Keeping living areas tidy creates a welcoming space for you and your guests. Entryways often collect shoes, bags, and mail. Start by removing everything from the area, decide what needs to stay, and what can be stored elsewhere. Use hooks, baskets, or shelves to organize shoes and accessories. A tidy entryway sets a positive tone as you enter and leave your home, making daily routines more pleasant and efficient. Children's rooms and play areas can quickly become chaotic. Involve your kids in the decluttering process by letting them choose which toys and clothes to keep or donate. Use bins and shelves to organize toys, books, and art supplies. Label containers to make cleanup easier for everyone. A well-organized kid space encourages independence and makes playtime more enjoyable. Garages and storage areas often become dumping grounds for things we don't know what to do with. Start by sorting items into keep, donate, or toss piles. Be realistic about what you actually use. Use shelves, hooks, and bins to organize tools, sports equipment, and seasonal items. Keeping these areas tidy frees up valuable space and makes it easier to find what you need. Decluttering isn't just for physical spaces. Take time to organize your digital life, too. Delete unused apps, organize files into folders, and clear out old emails. Back up important documents and photos. A tidy digital space can reduce stress and improve productivity, just like a clean home. As you declutter each area, take a moment to clean surfaces before putting items back. Dust shelves, wipe down drawers, and vacuum or sweep floors. Cleaning as you go ensures that your newly organized spaces are fresh and inviting. It also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you see each area transformed. Once you've sorted and cleaned, organize the items you're keeping. Store similar items together and use containers, baskets, or dividers to keep things neat. Label shelves or bins so everyone in your household knows where things belong. Good organization makes it easier to maintain a clutter-free home in the long run. A key principle of decluttering is that every item should have a designated home. If something doesn't have a place, it's more likely to become clutter. Assign a spot for each item, whether it's a drawer, shelf, or basket. This makes tidying up quick and easy and helps prevent clutter from building up again. When it's time to get rid of items, dispose of them responsibly. Donate usable items to local charities or shelters. Recycle paper, plastics, and electronics according to your community's guidelines. Proper disposal not only helps the environment, but also ensures your decluttering efforts have a positive impact beyond your home. Decluttering your entire home doesn't have to happen in one day. Schedule regular sessions, maybe an hour each weekend or a few minutes each day. Consistency is key to making lasting changes. By breaking the process into manageable chunks, you'll avoid burnout and make steady progress toward a clutter-free home. Decluttering is easier and more effective when everyone in the household is involved. Encourage family members to participate by assigning tasks or areas to each person. Make it a fun activity by playing music or turning it into a friendly competition. When everyone contributes, maintaining a tidy home becomes a shared responsibility. Setting specific goals can help you stay motivated and track your progress. Decide what you want to achieve, such as clearing out a closet or organizing the garage. Write down your goals and celebrate each milestone you reach. Achievable goals make the process feel rewarding and keep you moving forward. Once you've decluttered, it's important to maintain your progress. Make it a habit to put things back in their designated spots and regularly review your belongings. A quick daily tidy-up can prevent clutter from creeping back in. Maintenance is the secret to a lasting, clutter-free home. Be mindful of new items coming into your home. Before bringing something in, ask yourself if you really need it and where it will go. Try adopting a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item, let go of something old. This simple habit helps keep clutter at bay and ensures your home stays organized. Smart storage solutions make it easier to keep your home organized. Use shelves, baskets, hooks, and drawer dividers to maximize space. Store items vertically when possible to save room. Customizing storage to fit your needs helps ensure everything has a place and reduces the chance of clutter building up again. Labeling shelves, bins, and containers makes it easy for everyone to know where things belong. Use clear, easy-to-read labels and update them as needed. This simple step helps maintain order and saves time when searching for items. Labels are especially helpful in shared spaces like kitchens and bathrooms. The 4-box method is a classic decluttering technique. As you work through each area, use 4 boxes labeled: keep, donate, toss, and relocate. Every item you touch goes into one of these boxes. This method keeps you organized and ensures nothing gets overlooked. It's a straightforward way to make decisions quickly and efficiently. Decluttering isn't a one-time event. Make it a regular part of your routine by setting aside time each month to review your belongings. Regular decluttering helps you stay on top of clutter and prevents it from becoming overwhelming. The more often you do it, the easier it becomes. Take time to celebrate your decluttering achievements, no matter how small. Each area you organize is a step toward a more peaceful and functional home. Acknowledge your hard work and enjoy the benefits of your efforts. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated and makes the process more enjoyable. Decluttering is a personal process, and what works for one person may not work for another. Stay flexible and adjust your approach as needed. If a particular method isn't working, try something different. The goal is to find a system that fits your lifestyle and helps you maintain a clutter-free home. Sometimes, having a friend or family member help can make decluttering more fun and productive. They can offer a fresh perspective and help you make tough decisions. Plus, working together can turn a big task into an enjoyable experience. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you need it. It's common to feel guilty about letting go of gifts or items you spent money on. Remember, holding on to things out of guilt only creates clutter. Give yourself permission to let go and focus on what truly serves you now. Your home should reflect your current needs and lifestyle, not your past purchases or obligations. Minimalism isn't about having nothing, it's about having only what you need and love. Embracing a minimalist mindset can help you make better decisions about what to keep and what to let go. Focus on quality over quantity and enjoy the freedom that comes with owning less. A minimalist home feels open, peaceful, and easy to maintain. As you declutter, take a moment to appreciate the things you choose to keep. Practicing gratitude for your belongings can help you feel more content and less likely to accumulate unnecessary items in the future. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, making your home feel more abundant and welcoming. Once you've sorted out items to donate, make a plan to get them out of your home quickly. Schedule a drop-off or arrange for a pickup. The sooner you remove donated items, the less likely they are to creep back into your living space. Giving to others can also make the decluttering process feel more meaningful. Before tossing items, consider if they can be repurposed or upcycled. Old jars can become storage containers, and worn-out clothes can be turned into cleaning rags. Creative reuse not only reduces waste, but also adds a personal touch to your home. Just be careful not to keep things you don't have a clear plan for. To prevent future clutter, set boundaries for new items. For example, limit the number of shoes or books you own, or designate a specific space for certain items. When that space is full, it's time to let something go before bringing in something new. Boundaries help you stay intentional about what you allow into your home. Take time to reflect on how far you've come in your decluttering journey. Notice how your home feels and how your daily routines have improved. Reflecting on your progress can boost your motivation and help you appreciate the positive changes you've made. Remember, decluttering is a continuous process, and every step counts. Sharing your decluttering success with friends or family can inspire others to start their own journey. Talk about what worked for you and the benefits you've experienced. Sometimes your story can motivate someone else to take the first step toward a more organized home. Now that you've decluttered, take time to enjoy your refreshed space. Notice how much easier it is to relax, work, and spend time with loved ones. A clutter-free home supports your well-being and makes daily life more enjoyable. Savor the results of your hard work and make the most of your organized home. Decluttering is an ongoing process. Make it a part of your lifestyle by regularly reviewing your belongings and staying mindful of what you bring into your home. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Remember, a clutter-free home is a journey, not a destination. Keep up the great work and enjoy the benefits every day. Congratulations on taking steps to declutter your home. Remember, the process is unique for everyone, and it's okay to move at your own pace. The most important thing is to create a space that feels comfortable and supports your lifestyle. Keep these steps in mind as you continue your journey, and enjoy the peace and clarity that come with a clutter-free home.